I informally have a group called the Process Design Group. Education, obviously, is something that is important to all of us, and we would like to see students and kids have an opportunity to experience learning. Our goal for the project, for the Da Vinci drumming robot project, or the Leonardo drumming robot project, was to determine whether we could actually build a robot using children and young adults. That is our mission, is to see, can you really build a robot? Nobody has ever found one of his machines. We don't know how many of his machines he built.
But I think he's an interesting person to study in history and in sciences because he studied so much and he did so much work.
What I did was broke the robot down into systems, and then based on those systems, decided how difficult they would be. And then I would take them to various groups that I work with and see how well the students did. So what I really wanted to see was what they could do as a team, where they had to force themselves to interact socially.
That I discovered when I was building the robot, or the torso this year, is just the whole idea of using wood as a basis and having no electronical or components that are modernized, and having to build it purely out of using pulleys and string and anything that he would have had back in that time period.
When it come to building the robot, we did not have the codex. All we had were images, so pictures, people's impressions.
Yeah, the pictures helped us consider what would be a good idea to do and what would not be a good idea to do. But I think the work that we did on our own with our own minds about pictures and building it were the biggest guides we had for ourselves, because that taught us more of an understanding of what we were doing rather than just looking at pictures the whole time.
Codex gives you Leonardo's thought process. He was able to take his visualization and put it down onto paper, and that's where you start.